Changing scopes on the fly would be dope too. I agree. I hope they add features like that in the game. I really do. That'd be awesome. Oh, grappling hook? Yeah, you're right. Grappling hook. You'd probably have to find that. I said it'd be really cool just to have a button to... Oh god, where am I going? I don't know. I said that it would be really cool just to have a button to at least cycle through your gadgets and meds. So instead of pressing tab and going from your bandages to your med kit, maybe your bind is X, and then you press X and it cycles, like it just goes to the next one. It goes like first aid, med kit, trauma. First aid, med kit, trauma, and it keeps like that same cycle. And then have the same thing for gadgets. I think that'd be cool. Personally. I don't know. I don't know if you guys agree here. Or what? Because what I would do, I would probably use scroll wheel. It'd be really cool. So I'd probably scroll wheel up to meds and scroll wheel down for gadgets. And then I would be flying, dude. I'd be so quick with my gadgets. I feel like I'm already so quick with my gadgets pressing tab, but still, it just slows you down, you know? Unnecessary. I don't know. I'm hoping that happens. And I'm hoping it happens fast. Because honestly, if the game is just this, like just this for more than a month, there's gonna be a problem. That was really awkward shooting down like that. I couldn't aim properly. Oh man. Did I just swap weapons? What was that? Oh, he's got a Vapor Operator. Oh, hell yeah. Hog. I hear a guy with awareness. Although I can't tell. I might actually hear him on the boat. Awareness is really loud, so there's a chance I hear that guy literally running on the boat. I hear him. I got him. I got him. Sound is so weird when you have awareness on. It's so like... I heard him all the way over here. So I did hear him on the bridge, or the boat, originally. Oh, he's got a Kashka. Don't mind. Oh, bad booty. Don't mind if I do. This game is fun, though. I enjoy it. I enjoy just the change of pace. That's all. I am expecting a lot more, though. And I'm expecting a lot more fast. Or else there's going to be an issue. Not just with me. With probably everyone. God, I gotta go far. Okay, use your head. Do you know any bird spawns? Any chopper spawns? Nope, but there's an ATV. Whee! Oh. Oh, okay. Multi-cluster. Armor. Yes. Get rid of that. A little window. I wonder if paranoia is literally when someone ADSs you, or if paranoia is when someone like just like aims at you like this. It's probably when they ADS you, right? That'd make the most sense, because then you might like it might pop paranoia by accident. When someone's just looking around, paranoia might go off if they're like looking through walls, and like here, for example, like, oh, I see somebody, but I don't. It's when somebody ADSs. Okay, yeah, I figured.
Where the fuck
What the? Yeah, I should not be alive. That guy should not have. Okay. Majin Vegeta was that guy's name. That dude plays Fortnite. A lot of it. Oh, I saw a guy. Oh. Mother. Eat this. Oh. Perfect. That literally might have stuck him. That was such a good nade. Probably should have used my sniper in theory, because then I could have just one-shot him. And then took his level 2 armor. Or whatever armor that was. Is that a truck? That is a truck. Got him. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna use my Vapor for this. I made a mistake. I should have used my sniper, I guess. I really thought I'd be able to kill him in one spray, but I'm bad, so. Where's my concuss? Oh, you lost your armor. And now you're concussed. I didn't have to do him like that. That was just evil. I could have just killed him, but instead I concussed him and then killed him. That was evil. That was mean. That was a mean move. Where the fuck I am? I'm really bad with the Koshka, I've noticed. Oh, you know what? I probably would have killed him if I had extended. Yep. That makes sense. Mm-hmm. Where the fuck I am? Mm-hmm. Oh, hello. What are you doing? Where the fuck I am? I was just, he kept proning. Prone is not the way. I'm gonna stick to the side just because I swear this guy. I'm alright. Oh my god, what? 0 to 100 real quick. Look at that zone. Jesus. The trauma gods have smiled upon you. Every time you use the trauma first try, just... Oh. I'm really glad I stuck to the left side, because that guy was focused on the right, for whatever reason. Got anything cool for me? Got a cluster. You got a grapple. And... that's about it. I will take that grapple. Where the fuck I am? I had a lot of grapples. 2 of them. I could see how people how people are leveling really fast solo. Like, I'm definitely getting the most experience solo. Because you don't have to split kills, right? And you get a lot of merits per kill. 10 merits per kill. If you rack up 10 kills a game, 100 merits, like... sometimes you have like those banger games where you drop 20. My highest was 22, but I don't know if that's going to happen in a while. That was beta, though. That was beta. My highest was 22 in beta. I just don't see that happening again. I mean, I do, just... it's going to be a little bit until that happens again. I have to, like, figure out where people drop. I have to figure out the game a little bit more. Figure out how people fucking rotate and shit. Oh god, a truck. Okay, hold on. Think this through, What am I hearing? How am I not seeing him? What? I'm very confused. Oh my god, he's way up there. Fucking hills. He's like... where the fuck I am? Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety. Where the fuck I am? No, my kill. You're gonna steal it. Yes, he didn't steal it. Okay. Okay, okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Grapple? I gotta find a way up here. I want his armor. I'm pretty sure he has one. The fact that you can get up here is silly. He did not have armor. He had a paladin, though. I'll use that, I guess. He's got a 9-bang? Yes. I took your spot, man. I don't even know if this is a good spot. I mean, it's kind of cool, I guess. Oh, you moved. What the? What is that noise? What was it? Was that a crate? That must have been a crate. Hold on. Where's this other guy? There's a crate that landed here, right? Yeah, there it is. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, why? Okay.
Further collapse expected.
Is that a man? Oh, that's a man. All right. God, this is annoying, dude. Okay. Actually, I got a sensor. Let's pop it here. That was... I don't know why I shot it there. I could have shot it in so many better spots. That was probably the worst spot for me to shoot my sensor. That's okay. I mean, there's only a couple places he can be. He could be creeping back here somehow. He could be in this damn thing. He could be in the water, or he could be on top of that hill. There's not many spots he could be in.
Where the fuck I am?
Bro, I have awareness on. I don't hear anything. Oh, I hear him. He's above me.
Where the fuck I am?
He's above me. He's over there. He's over there.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Where the fuck I am?
Where though?
We live here now.
What the? Those hills were ridiculous. He has the high ground, Shrewd. That's good. Hey, Shrewd, what are your thoughts about picking armor scraps from fallen enemies to repair your armor? I thought that was genius. I saw that yesterday in my chat. I saw that yesterday. Like, when you get kills, when you loot kills, if you shatter their armor in a fight, it should leave a scrap behind, and then you pick up 3 scraps, and then you can make a level 1 armor. That would be absolutely genius. I think that'd be fantastic for the game. 10 out of 10, support the idea.